Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Blessed complexion of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. It is narrated by Anas that the color of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam looks like flowers. It is narrated by Abu Huraira that the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam had a white complexion with slightly reddish. Narrated by Abu Huraira that the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam had brilliantly white color with a mixture of red. It is narrated by Abu Huraira that the complexion of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam had brilliantly fair, it looks like pure silver. It is narrated by Ali Murtada that the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam had a brilliantly fair complexion with mixture of red. It is narrated by Ali Murtada that part of the blessed body of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam that remains in the sun and air was reddish, and the part that hides in the cloths was white and shiny. It is narrated by Anas that the complexion of Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was the most beautiful in all beings. Bad said that the complexion of Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was the most gorgeous in all beings. It is narrated by Hind ibn Abi Hala that the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam had blessed luminous body with fair complexion. It is narrated by Mother of Believers Aisha Siddiqa that once a black shawl was presented to the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. He wrapped the shawl and asked her how I am. She answered him that the black suits you and the blackness is mixed in the whiteness, and the whiteness of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is mixed in its blackness. Your fair color appears fair and lovely with black. Ibn Asakir al-Shifa, Sirat al-Abad, Dalai al-Nabwa. Wama tawfiqi illa billah.